all the ingredients to make lentil soup for probably like 4 days now, and I have not made it. So I'm just gonna make it now and prep it and put it in my fridge. When JP came over the other night, he brought me some more lilies, and they're starting to open to add to my flower bouquet, and I just thought that was so sweet. Like, I just think flowers are one of the nicest things that a guy can bring over for his girlfriend. Hi guys. I have not vlogged in a little bit, but I'm heading to dinner with my girlfriend. I'm just wearing these, I think they're a Goldie jeans. Oh, redone. I'm wearing these redone jeans and just like a white v-neck shirt from Nordstrom's, and then I put like a little wave in my hair. And I've been like loving the like 90s makeup. So I kind of did like a messy like liner, black liner on the edge of my eye. We are heading to a sushi restaurant in Greenwich called Hinoki, which is really good. If you haven't been and you live in the area, it's phenomenal. The sushi is so good. So that's where we're gonna go. I'm just kind of trying to keep it like casual and cute tonight, but shouldn't be home too late. I think JP might come over if I don't get home too late and like hang out. I need him to fix my door, you guys. I'll show you. Like literally the hinge came off of my bathroom door of all doors. That one's hanging on. This one, I think I need to get like wood pegs to put in here from Home Depot. So that might be a tomorrow project. But like how wild. But I like need to go right now because I'm sure it's gonna be hard to park over there and I need to get moving. Good morning. It is absolutely disgusting outside. I just got to work. I'm a little bit hungover, but dinner was so nice. I feel like you just need those like girls' nights where you can just talk about all girl things like business, relationships, all of that. So it was really nice. I'm gonna go teach my classes and I will see you guys after. Hi guys, I'm on a dirt road, so hopefully this isn't like really loud and bumpy, but the sun came out and I think me and JP are going to take Kaya for like a little hike. I have just been doing some work since we got back from our hike. I actually need to shower and bathe Kaya, but it's like 5:45 and JP is going to be back pretty soon. So I'm going to start prepping dinner. I'm gonna make taco bowls for us for dinner tonight. So my mom got this cutting board for my dad for Christmas, and he didn't want it because he said it was like too big and it's a little heavy, but I wanted it. But I think it's so pretty. I just like love it. And I'm gonna use it tonight to cook. Morning. I feel like this entire vlog has been me like cooking but I am just doing some work this morning. I want to go get some new flowers because mine are starting to like die, so I think I might do that today. And I do have to run some errands. I bought some stuff from Opoly that didn't fit, or like I didn't like the way it looked on me, so I need to go return those. And that's all I really have to do on my agenda today. My voice is kind of going because I've been teaching so much, so I really need to like just basically be quiet today. Probably have some tea. It has not been like a super exciting few weeks. I feel like winter, like, I don't know if anyone else feels like this who like lives in like the Northeast, but my winters just get like very quiet. I don't really go out as much. I don't do as much. I'm home a lot. I'm currently cleaning the cushions on my couch. That's what that is. I just threw them in the washing machine. I don't know if you guys can see Kaya. She's kind of chilling over there. She's had a long weekend. We took her hiking a few times this weekend to get her out because it has not been sunny in weeks. It's been raining and cold and gloomy, and she really needed some like good exercise. She hasn't really gotten really good walks in a little bit, so we spent the whole weekend out with her. I'm gonna finish my work for tomorrow, grab some flowers, do my returns, and probably end the vlog off today. That's the plan. JP went to the grocery store for me. I got some kale, Brussels sprouts, pumpkin seeds, and dried cranberries to make salad. I also got this baguette that I'm going to keep for the week to make like sandwiches and to have with soup tonight. So I'm currently just put some olive oil, salt, pepper, lemon, and then carrots, celery, and onion in here that I'm gonna wait till that like kind of reduces a little bit, and then I'll add in my vegetable broth, and I'm gonna do orzo and a little bit of this white cooking wine. And we're gonna make like a little lemon orzo soup. And I also just roasted some tofu that I might add. I have not decided. I might just keep that for the salad this week. I'm not sure.